Hi guys, today I'm back with another mould to test out. Now this one, can you see that pattern in there? It is actually a tulip bulb. Not that you can really see from here, but it is a tulip bulb. So I'm going to use the resin mixture that I used last week, which is epoxy resin and a nice lilac colour added to it. And all I'm going to do is fill up this mould and we will unmold it together. I will let that sit for a few minutes and then I will go in with my little heat tool and pop any bubbles that appear, and I will let that cure for at least 24 to 48 hours and I'll be back. Okay, it has been 24 hours. Time to unmold this tulip bulb. Wow. That detail is stunning. Well, if you're looking for a flower mould, a tulip one in fact, give this mould a go, guys, and catch me next time for some more resin mould testing. Bye, guys.